Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make fried ramyun. I forgot to eat my ramen so it becomes soggy, so I have idea to fry it instead, not to waste. I add chopped carrots, the green onion, I add also Asian chives, you can add anything you wanted to add. Also I added egg, and I mixed them all together. The noodle is quite long, so I cut it with scissors so that it's easier to fry later. And I add all-purpose flour. You can adjust the taste by adding some salt or black pepper, but the Korean ramen is already full of flavor, so I didn't add anything here except for the flour and other ingredients. Mix them all together and start frying. On a frying pan, add a generous amount of oil and form a rounded shape of our mixture and fry until golden brown. This recipe is experimental, but it turns out well for me. So I shared the recipe not to waste the noodle. Since I forgot eating my ramyun today, it becomes soggy. So some people, they just throw it away. And in my case, why not? Let's fry. Once it becomes golden brown or light golden brown, remove them from the oil. I use strainer to remove some excess oil and transfer them on a plate. I made sauce for this, so for me it's perfect to pair with some soy sauce, green onion, and sesame seeds, and some few drops of sesame oil. You can use ketchup for this also. Hope you enjoy my recipe today and hope you will try it someday. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe on my channel. See you again next time. Bye bye.